At least 53 people are dead and over 600 people injured as a massive storm hit Japan, dumping at least 10 feet of snow on the western coast. Schools were shut down and at least one steel bridge collapsed. Japan has been struck with storm after storm since the new year, and officials are reporting that Japan is running low on funds set aside to remove the snow. Japan has seen a record amount of snow and storms in the recent years. From 2005 to 2008, the stormy winters have claimed an additional 152 lives. Japan is not in the clear yet, as meteorologists are predicting more snow along the Sea of Japan. Japan is still recovering from last year's tsunami that claimed 25,000 lives and destroyed a nuclear power plant. I'm Sally Turner, IB Times TV.